Okay, hello Jerome. So as for your question on like which is the primary, like this one or this one, to me, I will take the first one. Reason being, like, this piece as a primary. The reason why, for me, this is my own view lah. This is what I think. So, is that the primary job is to first take it to the trap area is true, but for me personally, I treat it as to be able to identify a level where we can actually enter our trade form. So for this piece over here, when this piece came in, I'm able to identify like this level, that if this level breaks, then I'm not going to do any trade. So when this piece over here, I'm able to identify that this level, and I will probably monitor the strength of the sellers. If it's weak enough, then maybe we will try to enter a trade at as low as possible, closer to this line over here where we can put our stop loss, and the target probably somewhere in the trap area upstairs. So maybe if ideal scenario, but this is in hindsight lah. So we can get a somewhat a 2R trade over here because we are able to identify this level. So let's say even if you treat this whole piece as a primary, uh you will probably wait until the secondary, which maybe is happening now. But the ultimately the main thing must not happen is that the price break this level. Yeah, so that's the thing, that's the reason why I usually choose the first visible piece as the primary, because the level doesn't change if this primary secondary hold, the level shouldn't be breached. And this how I use this primary and secondary to trade. Yeah, so that's my point of view. So if you have any question, maybe you can just ask, or anything you can just share. Yeah.